Welcome to SAFETRADER family. This is Arvind. So today it has opened really a gap down for us. I know both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and whoever was holding put option, I hope they have all booked their profits and in the morning itself, and it was a good gap down, and it came down to 34,655 and the level that I was talking about in the morning. Okay, so it was a huge rally of somewhere around from the bottom of today. It's a rally of somewhere around 500 points to today's Bank Nifty high. Now, in Bank Nifty, I know I've also shared intraday levels. If you were to observe clearly, I shared a level at 34,780, and then there was another level that I shared around 34,970, and final level around 35,000. I'm sorry, 35,070. So if you actually played with these levels in Bank Nifty, I'm sure you would have already earned somewhere around 200 to 300 points with one single lot. So that's equal to somewhere around 7,500 points, right? So hope you guys have booked profits, and it was like a W pattern if you carefully observe, and after the breakout, it has suddenly spiked into hitting the target. Okay, so even if you look at Nifty, see Nifty, let me go into 15-minute time frame and tell you, I clearly told you that avoid Nifty for today. Avoid Nifty for today, except for last few minutes of rally, it was completely sideways. Except for this rally, it was completely sideways, and moreover, it was only eating the premium. So even in the money or out of the money or even at the money options are being melt very hugely. So that is one of the reasons why I asked you to avoid Nifty trading today, and Bank Nifty can be traded because it is working with a good volume, and a call side volume is increasing, and then there was also premium increasing in Bank Nifty but not in Nifty. So that is one of the reasons why I asked you to avoid trade in Bank Nifty. So let's go and check how we can trade in Bank Nifty and Nifty for tomorrow. In Nifty, I am still looking at a one-day chart where I see that it is making multiple patterns, and moreover, on the upper side, on the higher side, there is a final target at around 18,000 level. However, if you actually carefully look at it, this is like a inverse cup and handle pattern that you see that is trying to form. Though you see that from this trend line, it is trying to take a support at the trend line and trying to shoot up every time. If you actually look at first, second time and third time also. Now what is going to be our take for tomorrow? In case if it is trying to open a gap up, if it is opening a gap up, wait for this level 600 and 651. I know this is a huge level, but intraday I will share rest of the levels for tomorrow, but this is for long term holders. So 600 and 651 is going to be a breakout situation for us. Once this breaks and takes a retest here, we will take an entry, go with the target of 16,933. Okay, and the final target is going to be 17,215 on the higher side. Now how about on the downside? Downside, if it is opening a gap down, and I'm sure this is going to make this cup and handle, inverse cup and handle pattern on the downside as well. So probably what I would do, in case if it is opening a gap down, I will wait for this level 16,303 level to be broken decisively and immediately short my positions, and then go with the target of 16,036, and finally my target would be around 15,713 on the bottom. Okay, so these are going to be very important levels, and among this 16,651 is going to be some kind of rejection point for us. So this is where we would need to be very careful. If we are holding any call options here, we would need to maximum book our profits by 600 and 651 range, and after that, if there is another breakout, this will act as a support. This is going to act as a major support, which is 16,650, and then having this as a support, we can directly go with the target of 16,933, 17,215. So please watch out for this particular level. 16,651 is going to be a major level for this week and this month completely. So once you have this, probably if there are any option sellers, we can directly take 16,650 short straddle once it reaches this level. So probably I'm expecting good returns when there is a volatility expected between these 2 points. Okay, so this is going to be in Nifty. And how about in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty also, if you actually look at, it is actually playing within a particular trend. Okay, look at this trend. It is trying to respect that trend. Now exactly it has come to this particular resistance point at the trend line, and moreover, if you actually look at the same trend line that I have drawn here, the resistance zone, so it is respecting that. So tomorrow if it is opening a gap up, I would say I would not be interested in taking a call option immediately unless if there is a good retest. And now I will not take immediately, or I will only take above 310, sorry. So even if there is a retest, I will be interested in taking a call option only above 35,310. This is going to be a no trading zone for me. I will not be trading within this zone complete. I will try avoiding my trades within this particular zone, which is around 150 points of zone. So above this, yes, I will take a call option and go with the target of 35,465 first target. Second target is going to be 35,685. Now on the downside, if it is taking a rejection from here, for example, this is in a 15-minute time frame. So if it is taking a rejection, there is a gap of somewhere around 200 points here, right? So what I would do is I would wait for this particular rejection point here. If there is a rejection, I will directly go with the target here. First target, second target, third target, and final target. However, if it is breaking down, my target would be 34,655, and the next target is going to be at the trend line. Okay, next target is going to be at this trend line, wherever the trend line touches. For example, the target would be somewhere around 34,440, somewhere here. But however, if you remember, I think whoever has attended our live sessions on YouTube, this is one important, very, very important strategy that I told you, which is like a rubber band strategy. If those who are guys have attended our live session, when you see something like this, what is the strategy that you would need to follow? The 3 touch pattern that you see here, and exactly touching the patterns with a similar gap, almost similar gap. Look at this. So I actually clearly explained for those guys who have been regularly joining our live session. So look at this, and if you see some breakout here, it is going to be a very huge bully rally for us, and it can even touch immediately 35,465, and also can touch this level, which is around 35,964, almost 36,000. Okay, so this is going to be a rally in case if there is a good price action here and gives us a good bullish momentum, or if it is a reversal, again it might even touch this level, 34,500 level on the bottom. Okay, hope you liked this content. And before we proceed, I would say I have clearly explained you to take a call option at Gujarat Gas Limited, and you see the rally after that. Okay, you see a rally here, and you see a rally here and here. Okay, I have shared the same information in a premium group as well. And also, if you actually look at Dr. Reddy, I shared it on Telegram and WhatsApp as well, that look at the rally that we have today in Dr. Reddy. So we are making handsome profits here. Hope you guys are also making very good profits. Hope you like the content, and if you like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and you have a great day ahead.